Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix fast charging not working on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger and you will see pin. This is power cable is insert in phone. You will see. So change your charger. After change charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. And you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working on Realme Narzo power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.